The truth about video views on X. Are they worth the hype? This is Neil Patel, helping you succeed through online marketing.
We are going to talk about the truth behind Twitter video views, Twitter/X. Neil, what do you think the difference is between a Twitter view or an X view versus like a YouTube view?
YouTube view, they look at actual engagement. They don't, if someone just goes to a video and auto plays like for I think a few, like 1 second, I don't think YouTube counts it as a view. I've got the exact rules that they have. Yeah, they're much more strict. Twitter, it can just be scrolling and it starts playing, and if I'm not mistaken, it counts it as a view.
Yeah, it can auto play for you instantly and it counts as a view. So even if you don't care about it and you scroll past it, it counts as a view. And so you got to think about, again, a YouTube view is 4 seconds or so. So that's like hundreds or thousands of percent more, just depending on how you look at it compared to a Twitter view. Is it worth it to post a video like this, for example, to X?
I do think it's worth it. You're not going to get as many views. The reach isn't going to be the same. But you know what? You already created the content. So what do you have to lose by just posting it again? That's the big thing, is there's really no cost. The hardest part was actually creating the content. Posting it isn't as hard. Whether something gives you extra 100 views or a million views, it doesn't matter. Extra views are extra views, as long as the audience is somewhat relevant.
The hard work has been done already. You thinking through the hook, you thinking through what you want to talk about, all that hard work has been done. So why not just post it to another channel?
It would totally end up agreeing with that, right? So it's like, and there's no cost. And if you look at a lot of the popular creators, what they're doing is they're not saying, I don't know if I like Twitter as much or Threads as much or Instagram or TikTok. They're just like, I already created the content. It only takes a few more seconds to upload them to all of it. Like, that's it.
Twitter is the best place for me personally to learn from the smartest people. And I think the other channels for myself personally is more for entertainment.
Yeah, and you really don't have much to lose. Like, sometimes we'll post on Instagram, sometimes we'll post on TikTok, and we're like, we always do better views on Instagram, but sometimes we just post a video on TikTok and it hits and it goes viral and you got hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views or a million or whatever the number is. So even though Twitter or one of the other channels that you don't care for as much may not be driving you as much engagement, every once in a while, something that you post will hit and it'll be worth effort.
All right, so that is it for today. Please don't forget to rate, review, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.